Master your life. 17 planning and organization hacks for success. Life hack. Envision the outcomes you aim to accomplish. Commencing each period with a defined vision aids navigation through challenges and ensures progress in the intended direction. Life hack. Create a visual collage board. A vision board showcasing your major goals can boost inspiration and motivation. Life hack. Enroll in classes right when registration opens. Delaying enrollment may result in the swift unavailability of sought-after courses. Life hack. Opt for a schedule with classes spanning 3 days. Arrange your schedule to have classes on specific days, e.g., Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday to Thursday, allowing you dedicated non-class days for work, study, recreation, and other activities. Life hack. Select courses that facilitate the acquisition of practical skills. Achieving genuine career readiness involves outlining a strategy to acquire both sought-after technical and interpersonal skills. Life hack. Allocate a specific day each week solely for completing class assignments. Proactively study for upcoming exams or assignments when current tasks are complete, freeing up time and mental capacity for the rest of the week. Life hack. Read the syllabus consistently. Reviewing the syllabus informs you about assignments, exam dates, presentations, and attendance expectations, allowing for better planning and preparation. Life hack. Utilize excellent mobile applications. Optimize your college experience with apps like My Homework app and iStudies Pro, designed to assist in managing grades, assignments, due dates, and more. Life hack. Make use of your phone's lock screen. Consider configuring your device each morning to show a checklist or schedule of classes and activities for easy reference. Life hack. Position tangible reminders of tasks in places where you frequently glance. Use post-it notes or magnetic notepads for effective reminders. Life hack. Choose a dedicated study space outside your bedroom or dorm. Designate a study space away from your sleep area, like the library, to avoid associating studying with rest. Life hack. Create a designated study bag. Store your study supplies in a single backpack for convenient readiness when heading to a preferred study group or location. Life hack. Begin with your top priority task. Tackle significant tasks first to boost confidence in reviewing the rest of your checklist and deter procrastination. Life hack. Concentrate on a few small chunks at a time. Break down self-directed online courses into manageable pieces to alleviate overwhelm and enhance productivity. Life hack. Weekly. Tidy and arrange your room and backpack. Clearing clutter reduces stress and prevents oversight, ensuring things don't fall through the cracks. Life hack. Initiate your job search ahead of time. Research potential employers during your studies, adopting a job search mindset in your field while still in school. Life hack. Enlist an accountability partner. An accountability partner can assist in maintaining discipline and adherence to your plan. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.